In this video, I'm going to be releasing my AFK bot to the public. I've had this running for about 4 months now. All issues that I've had have been ironed out, and this thing has been running personally for me for about 2 months without having any downtime or any issues, aside from a power outage, but that's a me problem, not a bot issue. The bot is controlled through Discord, meaning that you can invite the people that you're AFKing for. They can then control their bot through Discord, and they can then do certain commands, which you can set up as well, whether they're allowed to do certain commands. For example, they can turn off their own bot, they can add new ones, they can turn on the chat so that the chat shows up in Discord, and they can force commands, so they can make the bot type something. The bot also has a bank bot, meaning that if someone pays the bot money, you can see how much it was paid, and then you can drain all of the money out of the bots in one command, and then all bots will pay you that you're currently AFKing their entire balance. This is useful for servers where a tax tends to be charged for the service of AFK. So go to the Discord down below, and you'll find the downloads there. You can also find them on my GitHub, which I don't have a link to now. There's a releases section, you can just download it from there. But I'll just download it like so. And then while you're in the internet browser, you're going to need to create a Discord bot. Fear not, this is not particularly difficult. You just head over to Discord Developer Portal, you click on the top link, and then you get sent to this site. You might have to log on to Discord. If you're already logged on in the browser, you won't. You can just create a new application, call it whatever you want, AFK bot tutorial, and then once you've done that, you can go down to this bot tab and you can add your Discord bot. Now Discord bots, they don't have a username and password, they have what's known as a token, and they look like this. It is literally just username and password combined into one. You don't want people to see this token, because then they have full control over your Discord bot, and if this Discord bot's in a bigger Discord, they then can nuke it or snoop, read your messages, depending on the roles it has. Then while you're here, you can just invite your bot to your Discord. So if you head over to the OAuth2 tab, you can just click on bot, and then you can choose the permissions that you want to give your bot. I'm just going to give it admin, it makes my life easier. And then you copy the link, and then you select the server you want to invite it to. There is a role, or there is a permission that you need, I don't know off the top of my head, to do this, but then you can choose a Discord, authorize it, and then confirm that you're a human, and then voila, it should be in your Discord. And in my case, AFK bot tutorial is now my Discord. So that's all you need to do on the Discord bot side. You need to go back now and copy its token, and then go to your download, which I have here. I can just cut it and put it into my desktop, create a folder, paste it, and then extract it. Right, once you've done all that, wherever you want it, there are a couple ways you can proceed. The main bit is the settings.json file, which is where all your bot settings are in. If it doesn't let you open it or whatever, you just need to right click and then open with, and just any text editor will do. I'm just going to use the Notepad++ here, the token that you just copied from the internet, which apparently I did not, gets to go in here. You have your bot's prefix, the IP it connects to, the version. This can't be below 1.8, sadly. So 1.8 and above. I don't know about 1.15, but yeah. the hub command, so this is a command you need to join your server, the anti-AFK command, then I have what's known as a chat anti-AFK. This is an issue I had while AFKing, is my bots would connect, but not fully connect. They would think they're connected, but they're not. And essentially, if a chat message doesn't come in 5 minutes, it realizes, okay, something went wrong during connection, and it didn't crash, so it just restarts the bot. Now, this is very useful. It saves me a lot. A login delay. So this is the delay in seconds between each login. So if you're AFKing like 20, 30 clients and your internet goes out because you've got dynamic and you have your IP change, all your bots are going to crash and then they relog. And if your login delay is really low, then you're going to get Mojang banned. Obviously, if you're AFKing a small amount of bots, you don't need it particularly high, but if you're AFKing like 10, 15, 20, 30 bots, then you're going to want to set this to like 1 to 2 minutes. I don't have much experience in getting Mojang banned because I've never really had to AFK more than like 5 ults. The bank bot, this just detects when you've been paid. Enable admin role. This is so not everybody in that Discord can do all the commands such as force and drain. And then there's also the admin role ID. So if you go to your Discord and you want to find the role ID, you can just go to roles and then just right click on the role, and then you can copy the ID and paste it in here. It's as easy as that. And the chat anti-AFK delay is how long it waits before it restarts if a chat message wasn't received. Once you've done that, you can close all that. Now there's 2 ways of running this bot. You can do the simple way and just, oh yeah, you also need to install Node.js. Whoa, sorry. So this was coded in Node.js, so you need to download Node.js. This will run on pretty much anything that can run a web browser. So you need to download v14 and above. If you're on Linux, if you just do sudo apt-get install node, it doesn't install version 14. You need to install Node through Node version manager. And the commands are here in my Discord. You essentially just get Node version manager and then you install Node. And it will install the latest version for you that way. This will also run on just any Raspberry Pi or whatever. It's fine. So you just download this, install it. I don't need to show you that. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you've got this far, you know how to install a program. Then, yes, so running it, you can either just double click and then it will run. Or you can, if you're in Linux, you can just go to your folder and then node AFK. But I'm going to be showing you a much better way of doing that. So once you've installed Node.js, it will also come with Node's package manager called npm. If you do npm and it's telling you that it's not recognized and you need to add it to your path, I'll link a tutorial down below how to do that if it for some strange reason fails. I've never had any issues with it, but I know sometimes it does moan. And what we're going to install is a Node module called PM2, which is Node Process Manager. And it'll allow you to turn on the bot and have it running in the background. And if it ever crashes for whatever reason, so the main program, if the main program ever crashes, it will also restart that. So you can just do npm I and then you can say pm2 like that. What it's going to do is it's going to install pm2. You got to wait a while for it. While it's downloading, you can get the path of your AFK folder. If you hit Control L or just click up here, you can copy this. And you can change directory, so cd space and then the path, and now you're in here. And once you're in here, all you have to do is pm2 start afk.js, and then it started the process, and you can close this terminal and your AFK bot will be running in the background. If I go over to the Discord, which I invited it to, as you can see that the bot's on and I can do %help and it works. So if you ever want to stop it, you just do pm2 stop. You do pm2 kill actually. AFK. Oh no, maybe it is pm2 stop AFK. There you go. and now it's stopped. And you can also delete it by doing PM2 delete AFK, and then it'll delete. And if this ever crashes, it will stop it. If you ever restart your computer, it might turn on, it might not. I don't run this on Windows. I have this running on a Linux machine. And if you're on Linux, it prompts you to add the AFK bot to your system CTL tasks. I don't know what they're called. Something along those lines. And there's like a couple commands you need to type in. It literally tells you the commands you need to type in, and then this will start on boot. So as soon as your computer turns on, your bot will start working. So yeah, that's it for the tutorial. Yeah, any issues, join the Discord, may open a ticket and ask me. Any requests or any support requests for other servers, there is a suggestion channel, I believe, AFK suggestions. You can make you can change add any suggestions into here, and I'll get to them. So yeah.